Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can set up your WP Mail SMTP, which is sort of your own website side private email service. So let's get right into it. Now for this, first you're going to need the plugin. So just go into the plugin marketplace and search for WP Mail SMTP. This should be it. It is by WP Form, so you can just use this, and you just need to install it and activate it, and you should be good to go. And after you do that, then you can actually start installing it. Now, once you get into it, and by the way, I can't show you because I can't install because of my plan, but once you install it, you can just immediately go into the setup wizard, which will open automatically, but I'll be going over the steps on this here site anyway. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go into your settings on WP Mail SMTP, and you're going to need to enter some data. You're going to input the from mail or the from email, the from name. You can also set up your return path if you want to get bounced messages or any notifications regarding if the messages actually arrived or not. And you also need to select a mailer. Now you can select any one of these if you want to. However, for other hosting services, select other SMTP, but these are all fine, whether it's Zoho Mail, Google, Mailgun, Outlook, or 365, Amazon SES, really depends on your wishes. And after you're done with that, that should be good. You should also set up your SMTP password, which is required to connect with any SMTP server. But yeah, once you're done with that, you also need to set up the username as well, and the port and the SMTP host. And you can also set up encryption and the port and the authentication. And once you're done with that, then you're pretty much good to go. Now, the host is the host address provided by the hosting company. The encryption is the method used by your mail server. Usually it's TLS. Then the port is used by the outgoing mail server, so check that out. You can also set auto TLS, and this should be on. Authentication needs to be on. Then the username is usually the email address you are using to send emails, and the password, it's the password for the email account you are using to send emails. They don't recommend saving SMTP passwords. You should store passwords in the wp-config.php file, but that is pretty much it. After that, you're pretty much set. You just need to figure out which exact data you need to input depending on your hosting method, and that is pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.